Hello everyone. So I'm having tea time. It's 3 o'clock, I think almost 4 of the afternoon. And I decided to get some tea. So wait a minute while you are watching. This is the cup for the tea. So I really love those kind of kitchenware. It's really, even though I'm not rich yet, but even though, it's like I don't need restaurant when you have some kind of kitchenware. So I'm getting more food for us because while talking to you, I have something that I'm eating. Oh yeah, here I changed a little bit. So like, come on, let's eat with me. And anyway, I do have some product as well. If you are living somewhere in the world and if you subscribe to YouTube channel, I do have some jewelry. There are some gemstones. I do have black jasper, yellow jade, rose quartz. Still the turquoise is still with me. The turquoise. And I do have some ready-mades. If you like to order some out of far away here from American Samoa, you can contact me on Gmail. My Gmail is here. I'm gonna give it to you and my contact number. And a lot, I do have some bags, wallets, notebook. Just ask me anything on my Gmail. Or if you like to have your own pulitasi, in your own size and your own reference and your own design, you can also contact me on my Gmail so I can manage it on what you want. If you want, you know what I mean. I already sent some of my stuff from San Diego, California, Colorado, some part of California as well, because there's a lot of Samoan people in California, I think, and Alaska, especially in what is the Nevada, what do you call that? The part Las Vegas, yeah. Anyway, let's have some margarine. But anyway, if you wanna see the tea that I'm gonna show it to you. Wait a minute. Or I'm gonna show it to you on the screen. I'm gonna take a photo and I'm gonna show it on your screen. And one more. Like this one. This one is also for sale. Yeah. I can sell it to you for only $70 with a scarf. I don't know what you want to do with the scarf. Yeah. But this one is for our wedding. So I already made a sample. So when the bride came, I think this is for her flower girls. Yeah. This is made of a flounce glittery fabric. And this is my turquoise. This is my turquoise. I just put it here. So, just to complement because it's light blue and turquoise is almost like light blue. Yeah, so I do complement our brides for her, what do you call again? Flower girls, yeah. So my tour girls are all from Philippines. They're all original. And this turquoise necklace also have a semi, what do you call, like a semi class A, class A stone in a diamond shape, and also have the moonstone in it. It's original. Let me show you. I think because this is the fake one. It's hard for us to get yeah, here. This is the fake one, and this is my turquoise here, which is fully polished. Yeah. So if you like to order, just let me know. I also have some masks that fashionable. And I'm also selling my painting here. Let me show you. For $25 only. Here. Of course, it will added some for the shipping fee here. And oh well, and I call this the spirit of misty waterfalls here. Since I made this, and since I established it on the wall, I don't feel the house is dry anymore. It really makes my shop or this house like, full of emotions, and because it's water, it's really balanced the house. I love it. I think if someone's going to buy it, I want to make another that only for me. Yeah, and this is all my ready-mades. I just recently changed the mannequin this morning. That's why this one has but this is also for sale. This is the one that in the mannequin. It's a halter kind of dress. And just message me and I can show you all of the stuff here. And these are all the bags. Still have more at the room. This fancy notebooks. But anyway, my tea is getting colder now. Hello everyone, so here I am again. So for others that who don't know who I am Micay. Everyone's calling me Micay, and I am originally from the Philippines, but I am living here in American Samoa for almost 5.5 years on coming September 10. And yeah, um, it's been a year since I am far from my homeland, and I didn't much miss it because I grew up on the mountain of the Philippines in Antipolo City, and the surroundings and the environment are almost the same, except the Antipolo City, or where I grew up exactly, is doesn't have oceans. But here, um, they have ocean here, and some of the beaches are open for public. As of now, I cannot go there because of the COVID-19 COVID-19 restriction, just to be safe. But after this adversity, it's gonna be full of oceans for upcoming videos. Um, but as of right now, since the people are not coming often to the ocean or beaches, some of the sharks are um, most of the sharks are appearing and the dolphins are appearing, but the sharks, they are appearing as well. So all of the people are a bit um, scared to jump in on the water, since that we are aware that the sharks are here. I think it's a black tip shark. I think possibly, yeah. So anyway, I hope you're having a good time, and if not, everything will be okay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be on its own alignment again. You're not alone. You know me, I'm just simply playing cool right now, but I'm having something. Everyone has something. Everybody has something, and I do have my own too, but we will make it through. Don't worry. As much as I telling this to you, to all the viewers, that don't worry, everything will be fine, it shall reflect on me as well. It's really remind myself as well, it's good to be reminded, sometimes. But we will get through this. Just smile. And you see, in one blink of an eye, it's already evening. The colors of the sky are changing and the sun become more light orange, and it's also coloring all the trees here. I'm not a kind of person that always going out for a party. What do you call on that kind of person? Introvert. Yeah, I am an introvert. I as much as possible. Look at our Christmas decoration, still there. As much as possible, I always want to stay home, and or because our home is where our shop is also. Stay home, stay on the shop, doing my work, sewing or do some arts. You will never see me going around if I'm not invited. Especially, I'm not much on friendship. I don't have any much friendship. I always alone. I'm telling you, I'm a loner. But I love my own pace, my own circle, my environment, surrounded by nature, surrounded by birds, and my rose. If you're gonna see that, if you're going to see this on my previous video, you're gonna see that I cut some of the roses, I cut some of the branches, and when I do that, I think it like she become more manier. Oh, yeah. Hi, mother, what are you doing?
I make ano ba?
Salad.
Yeah. No, the jelly with the coconut.
And this one?
Tokwa. Tofu.
Okay.
And then this one, lugaw. Aroskaw.
So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy my video, and take care and love yourself. See you in the next video. Bye. unfortunately, while making this video, editing this video, all of a sudden, from out of nowhere, there is a customer who calls me, and she purchased the turquoise, the jade earrings. The turquoise, it was a set of necklace and earrings. She got it, and the earrings jade, and her mom got the yellow jade and the what they call the pearl. So thank you for buying.